Welcome traders, let us understand how to use TradeClue effectively. Here as you can see, I have logged into my TradeClue ID. The most unique feature of TradeClue are its levels. To enable the important support and resistance level, tick mark on these two checkboxes, technicals and options. Here you can see the levels have been plotted on your TradeClue ID. The third checkbox, BS zone, is basically important for your stock analytics purpose. To know more about these levels, click on docs so that you can get a clear understanding what each and every level basically means about. Now let us come to the most important concept, that is index. To check the index charts, you need to check out on the top right corner of your TradeClue dashboard Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. The spot charts are available to you. Just click on them and scroll out through the charts. The first main feature to understand with respect to execution and analytics on index are the red and green boxes. So just to make a point clear, technical levels, option levels, and the buyer seller zones will all be provided before the market start. The main usage of these levels are for your EOD analytics. That is, before the market start, you prepare your plan for index trading as well for your stock trading. Along with that, the red and green boxes will also be available to you before the market start. Now let us understand the first main concept on your trade execution for index are your red and green boxes. The execution pattern to be followed for red and green box, red and green band concept is as per this strategy. Now let us understand on TradeClue charts how to follow this strategy. So it is a simple understanding of demand and supply zone which is available to you on your TradeClue charts. So the red box stands for your selling zone, green box stands for your buying zone. So the simple understanding is that if the price breaks above the red box, our view should be bullish, and if the price breaks below the green box, our view should be bearish in case of a breakout scenario. Now, the most important and unique feature on your TradeClue chart are the red and green dotted levels, which needs to be focused as per this strategy, as you can see on your screen. Now, the most important thing about this strategy is that during the live market hours, these red and green dots will help you in understanding where to execute your trades. As you can see, these red and green dots appear during the market hours and they will be get generated on your TradeClue charts only when there is a heavy change in open interest. So here you can understand that today market just opened along with this particular range breakout scenario below the red dots, and this is a star format to be followed for your index trade execution. So red dots, if the price sustain below the red dots for a period of 20 to 30 minutes along with a range, then you can plan for a range breakdown trade. Most importantly, for range breakout, if the price sustains above the green dotted lines, and along with that, if the price breaches the range, then only you can plan a bullish side view on your index. Now, these are the two important features for your index trading, that is red and green boxes and red and green dots to be checked for your trade execution. Now, to gain more confidence on your index trade, we have one more important feature, that is your index OI. Index OI will tell you where there is highest call writing or where there is highest put writing during the market hours. So to read this particular data, I just need to check the longest red bar and green bar available during the day. The longest red bar will tell you the highest resistance and the longest green bar will tell you where there is the highest support present. Same ways you can check the previous 5-minute data, 10-minute data, as well as previous 15-minute data during the live market hours, which will provide you with better insights on your trade execution as per the OI levels. But the most important thing for a trade execution will be your trade execution concepts, as you can see. Now let us move on to the next important concept, that is your stock selection and stock execution. For that, we have two categories, aftermarket and live market. In the aftermarket segment, there are some breakout categories as well as there are some reversal categories available. The main purpose of this scanner is for your EOD analytics. That is, before the market start, you will be ready with certain number of stocks as per the strategy. The next thing is the live market scanner. Live market scanner will provide you with those stocks which will get updated during the live market hours. And these updates will come only during live market hours and will notify you when to focus on a particular stock. Now, the major query for most traders will be how to trade stocks or how to execute this particular structures. Now, the most important feature on your TradeClue charts for stock execution are your TradeClue levels and the red and green boxes as well as red and green bands. Now, here you can see we have opened PVR. Now, the main crux of TradeClue is that before the market start, it will provide you with the levels as well as the zones. Now, these red and green boxes and the red and green bands are a graphical representation of demand and supply zone. The only thing I need to understand is red band stands for selling zone, green bands or the green box stands for buying zone. And to follow with the execution concept, we have a simple price action based concept, that is the breakout. Simple understanding is that whenever the price breaks above the red box or the red band, which is actually the selling zone, the price need to be focused upon the bullish side. Same ways, if the price breaks below the green band or the green box, simply if the price breaks below the important buying zone, we can focus on the bearish side. Same ways to check with these stocks, I'll be getting it through the red and green band scanner. And same ways, if the price breaks below the green band, as you can see, further downfall or further bearishness can come through. These extreme down moves only happen because the buyers are getting trapped over here and follow through. As you can see, further sell-off can come through. So for trade execution, you need to keep it simple. Red, green band, breakout and momentum will provide you with good breakout trades. Same ways to check on the reversal side, I need to understand RSI divergence as well as reversal. For that also, we have a simple trade execution concept for reversal as well as RSI divergence. But initially, if you want to check any breakout stock which is easier to understand, you can just follow with these aftermarket strategies. Same ways during the live market hours, you can enable these queries to get the live notification whenever the price breaks above or below the red box and green box levels. And similar ways, you can now start focusing on important stocks during the market hours. Also, one more prime feature which we have on TradeClue is the volume buzzer scanner. These stocks will have the highest probability to give you a great momentum during the market hours. As you can see over here, pre-market volume stocks will get updated before the market hours. Same ways, 5-minute volume, 15-minute volume, and 60-minute volume stocks will get updated during the market hours. To check these updates, I just need to click on watch list and then click on volume watch list. As you can see, this list gets updated during the market hours. As understood earlier, your execution will always remain as per the red and green box breakout format. So here you can see Sun Pharma pre-market volume. That means before the market start itself, I was aware that Sun Pharma has some pre-market volume in it. Just I need to focus above the red box, this particular breakout format. Same ways, if there is any green box available, I will be focusing it on the downside as well. And here you can see a further upward tick happens once the red boxes were breached out. So the beauty of TradeClue is that you will get all the stocks in your TradeClue dashboard, as well as the levels, option levels, technical levels, as well as the demand and supply zones will be provided to you before the market start. Just that you need to follow the execution concepts and get ready with your stock execution as well as index analytics. That's it from our side. Make sure if you have any doubts regarding TradeClue, don't forget to connect with our support team. On the bottom right corner, you have a WhatsApp icon. You can just click over it and connect with us on our support number. Till then, make your trading simplified with TradeClue and happy trading.